Hi, welcome to Lanzilla. And as usual, today we will be discussing about some good job postings. Before we go to the job postings, let me discuss about this online site, testing site, MCAT. You can access the site through mymcat.com. In this lockdown, this site is the most important site for job placements. So, MCAT stands for Aspiring Minds Computer Adaptive Test, and they conduct standardized aptitude tests. This test works for graduates for both from engineering and non-engineering streams. India's top companies recognize MCAT score. Around 700 plus companies recognize MCAT score for placements. Having a good score will help you get placed in your dream company. And industries include IT, banking, travel, manufacturing, transport, and much more. And on the right hand side, you can see I have kept the home page of the LearnZilla app, which you can download from the Google Play Store. LearnZilla app covers most of the topic aptitude tests, mock tests relating to all the MCAT tests. And here we can see the top job posting on the MCAT site. The job is for automation engineer and the company is Edulastic. As you can see, they need 0 to 0 years experience. Package is very good, 5 to 15 lakh per annum, and position Bangalore. About the company is education technology company. It provides user-friendly online SMS system and instant data to teachers, administrators, and students. They provide the service free for schools and districts. So you can see here the job location is Bangalore, desired experience freshers, and what you need is BTech, computer science and IT, MTech or MCA, and the target batch is 2021. Salary depends on your performance during the interview phase. So the salary starts from 5 lakh per annum to 15 lakh per annum, and the date of joining is immediate. So the job description and responsibilities include to create test papers and test cases since it's the edutech company, coordinate testing activities, design and develop an automated automation scripts, track quality assurance metrics like defects and open defect counts. So the skill required here is knowledge on web automation tools, Cypress or Selenium with Java, JavaScript, and knowledge in SQL and Mongo. The interview process includes online technical test, technical interview, HR interview. And now let us see how the LearnZilla app will help you prepare for both the MCAT test and the online technical test and technical interview part of the job. So first and foremost, to apply for this job, you have to register on MCAT and have their annual subscription. Or with your annual subscription, you will get a test date. You have to pay amount of 1298 and you can apply for a test date within 30 days of a date of your choice. So let's see how do you prepare for first MCAT test and the technical interview. The LearnZilla app covers the complete course of aptitude course for MCAT. We have quantitative aptitude, we have logical reasoning, we have verbal ability of English, we have data interpretation, and technical MCQ. Technical MCQ will help you in online technical test and technical interview. So let's see how we have covered the technical MCQ part in our LearnZilla app. Now let us see how the technical MCQ section on the LearnZilla app will help you tackle online technical test and technical interview. So you can see on the LearnZilla app we have 170 tests. Each test has 10 questions, so we have 1700 questions. So the topics are C programming, full detail basics, operators, arrays, functions, pointers. Then we have code input output. We have complete data structures with array, linked list, stack, queue, tree, graph. So we can cover exhaustively the course. Then we have C++ programming with basic exception handling, constructor files, OOPS concept, inheritance. Then we have Java programming in technical MCQ. We have SQL, database management system, operating system, networking, and pseudocode. Now let's see a sample test in technical MCQ. For the sample test, let's choose a topic. Let's choose data structure algorithms. So we'll take data structure algorithm mix, and you can see we have around 12 tests, each consisting of 10 questions. Let's start a test. This test consists of 10 questions, and 1 mark will be awarded for the right answer. And after taking the test, we'll get completely time analysis and detailed solutions, not just the answers. So let's start the test. I'll go through randomly the answer. You can see the timestamp has started. I'll go randomly answering the question and see in the end not only the answers but detailed solutions and time analysis. So let me take some more time for answering each question. I'm going through this section quite fast. In real world situations, you have to take your time, think through the questions and answer clearly. And if you have doubt of any other answer, you can go back and change your answers. I'm just answering in random and to show you the time analysis at the end of the section. Once I finish this, I'm confident. I press submit, reconfirm it, and here is the all important time analysis. I got only 4 out of 10 correct. And here is your time analysis. If you take more than 1 minute or 2 minutes to answer the question, you're slow. You have to revise the chapter and improve your knowledge. So here I took 16 seconds, 6 seconds. I've gone through this fast, but in real world you'll get very less time to answer this question. So it will be less than 1 minute. So here we have given you we have shown how many correct answers and how many wrong, but here we'll show you not only the answers but detailed solutions. So this was right, and here is the detailed solution. Second one is wrong, and here we have a complete explanation for the answer solution. So again here full detailed description of each answer. Each answer on the LearnZilla app. Whenever you find if your answer is wrong or it's not explained properly, you can always reach us by pressing this button. This will take it'll come to our customer service and we will answer you back within 24 hours. So this completes one of the sample tests. Now let's go to the next section. One of the most critical aspects of job listing on the MCAT site is that you have to subscribe to the MCAT and give a test through MCAT portal. So what we have done in LearnZilla app, we have mock tests. We have mock tests subject wise and company wise. We have all the major companies: Cognizant, GE, HCL, HP, Infosys, L&T, Oracle, TCS, Tech Mahindra, Wipro. But most importantly, we have also MCAT test. So let's take an MCAT test to show you how you can clear the MCAT. Without clearing the MCAT test, getting a good score, you may not be able to apply for good companies. On this page, we can see we have around 10 MCAT mock tests, but you can take the mock test unlimited times. The moment you complete a mock test, the next test starts, and it's not in 10 times, it'll go on unlimited times, and each time the question may change. So let's start so I've taken 2 mock tests. Now I start the third mock test. Let's take a mock test. So here mock test, we have time duration 95 minutes, 3 sections as per that format. For that, we have quantitative aptitude 20 questions, logical reasoning 20 questions, verbal ability 21 questions. So again, you can see there is no section cutoff. There's 1 mark for each answer and no negative marking. So let's start a test. Now, before we start the test, we have to note another critical aspect of the test called sectional time. So for quantitative aptitude, we have 35 minutes to answer 20 questions. Logical reasoning, we have 35 minutes to answer 20 questions. Verbal ability, we have 25 minutes to answer 21 questions. So let's start the test. So you can see quantitative aptitude, we have the timer has started. The maximum time is 35 minutes. Right now, I'll just answer in random to show you sample, but in real world test situations, you have to think through your questions and answers. So I think let me choose some answers randomly, but take your time to do the calculation. Here I'm taking fraction of a second to answer the question, but in real world situation, you have to take your time. You can see I still have 34 minutes left, but for demo purpose, let me press submit and close this section. Go to the next section. Again, logical reasoning, the timer has started. So we have 35 minutes to answer 20 questions. So again, here I'll just answer in random. I'll not complete the section, just to show you a demo how we provide answers, solutions and time analysis. So I press submit. So we have again 25 minutes to answer this 21 questions. I'll just press randomly. So now I still have 24 minutes for section, but I'll just press submit. And here I have only answered 18 questions, not answered 43. I press submit and see the time analysis. Now on the screen, you can see the time analysis for the mock test I have just taken, the MCAT mock test. So here we have a detailed, this one, I took only 1 minute 56 seconds. Only 4 were correct, 9 incorrect, 48 unattempted. So overall, I got only 7% correct, 50% correct. So I can go by section wise and see how much score. I got 2 out of 20 correct. I can go logical reasoning. Here I got 0 correct. Verbal ability, I got 2 out of 21 correct. So here we give the complete time analysis for the mock test, which will help you improve on your test score. But the most important part is the solution part. Here we give you a detailed solution for all your answers. We not only give the right answer, we solve the answer for you in detail on screen. So you can see, we go to logical reasoning. Let's see the correct answer. Not applicable. Here again we get a detailed solution for all the answers. It's not just the answers. Even the part I have not solved, I can see the detailed solution. So this covers the MCAT mock tests. In this video, we have just covered one job opening on MCAT site. But on the MCAT site, you have hundreds of job openings for both freshers and experienced people. But all of them have to subscribe to MCAT and give a test through their platform. And LearnZilla app has all the resources for practice by individual subjects covering MCAT course, and also the mock test, as we have seen the mock test of MCAT. So you can use the LearnZilla app not only for job placements directly, but through the MCAT site. So now let me leave you with a small clip detailing all the features of the LearnZilla app.